Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a shelter, adjust the shelter, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down. Then select the eraser option, the shape, with the shape select the copy option, the shape select the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Change the color, select the color option, adjust the color. Select the text option, edit by writing. Select the size, adjust the size. Select the font option, adjust the font. The letter select the copy option. Select the color option, adjust the color. Save the letter, select the save option. Adjust the save confirmation. Change the background, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.